In the early 1980s, Mercedes-Benz began exploring a radical idea: a premium city car small enough to navigate crowded streets and fit into extremely tight parking spaces. The result was the Mercedes-Benz NAFA, officially described as a short-distance vehicle and presented as an automotive study in 1982. NAFA was unlike the large Mercedes sedans of its era. At only 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet long, it was a tiny two-seat vehicle designed specifically for urban mobility. Its compact dimensions allowed it to fit into parking spaces of roughly 4 meters, while four-wheel steering made maneuvering dramatically easier. The car could even be guided forward into spaces that would normally require several reversing movements. The engineering was equally unconventional. NAFA used front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, power steering, and air conditioning. Its high seating position, low waistline, and large windows provided excellent visibility in city traffic. Sliding doors allowed occupants to enter and exit even when the car was parked close to another vehicle or a wall. Safety equipment included belt tensioners, reflecting Mercedes-Benz's emphasis on occupant protection. The car's unusual proportions quickly attracted attention. Critics jokingly called it the snack trolley, comparing its tiny, upright body to a small food cart. Supporters saw something different: a practical Mercedes designed for the rapidly changing urban environment. The biggest obstacle was safety. Mercedes-Benz's existing safety standards could not be achieved within such a short vehicle using the technology available at the time. The company therefore refused to put NAFA into series production. Instead, engineers continued developing solutions that would later contribute to concepts such as the sandwich floor architecture of the A-Class and the passenger safety cell used in the Smart. NAFA did not disappear without consequences. Its ideas influenced subsequent Mercedes city car projects, including the MCC concept, which eventually led to the Smart program. The first production Smart Fortwo arrived in 1998, while the first-generation A-Class appeared in 1997, demonstrating how Mercedes had transformed lessons from experimental compact car development into production vehicles. The NAFA was never sold to the public, but its importance lies precisely in that failure. It demonstrated that a Mercedes could be extremely small without abandoning advanced technology, comfort, and safety. More than a forgotten concept, NAFA became an early experiment in the compact urban mobility philosophy that later shaped two of Mercedes-Benz's most distinctive modern vehicles.